Well, trading is closed on June 25th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. Said unless we gapped over this high, the pattern was negative and lower prices should print because of the 3 days tight pattern. We expected the decline to be of some size, and it was. We get to cross this target off the list from June 19th. This hit it within a few pennies, and that gets crossed off the list. There's support under the target. There's also support from the FOMC announcement price. So we've dropped to support and not through it. The rule is you either gap under these lows or support tends to hold. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Excuse me. Yeah, this was the early low. So tomorrow has the early high. It tends to be a rally day. Tends to have a high in the final hour of trading with a positive close. Only time it isn't is if it drops in a straight line. Otherwise, it's a positive day. There was our sell signal that worked. There's an optional target. We go over this line. Have an ultimate sell signal. That wasn't the next move because this just gives targets. Doesn't signal the next move. When we rallied first, the system said it was false. Now says the drop is false. Says we're going to retrace to this line. So we have an optional target with a 95% chance of printing tomorrow. If it doesn't print, we forget it. But this one stays on the list and is favored to print tomorrow. Let's see, this was high was 71. Yeah, that works. So tomorrow's pattern, we have these targets. As always, if we gap down sharply, these are off the table. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. This doesn't have the look of a major decline yet, as far as I'm concerned. We dropped to support, dropped all day, couldn't take out this middle of the day low on the close. It's a positive pattern. It all gets killed if we gap and take out these lows quickly. But otherwise, I think we'll see higher targets print, and I think we'll see higher prices print, and those are my targets. And that's today's call.